Macbook is a great choice, especially when your nature of use is for documents, internet browsing, and in graphic design. And one of the key features that I really love about Mac is hindi siya nabavirusan at hindi nagwawarap ng files. However, our Mac is not immune to tech problems. That's why sometimes it may fail to respond to the power button or even that it won't turn on. Hi guys, it's me Jess and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to tell you what to do if your MacBook Pro or MacBook Air won't turn on. I have here MacBook Air 2017 na hindi na nag-on. And maraming reason bakit hindi na nag-on ang isang MacBook. Pwedeng faulty na yung charger o kaya palitin na yung mismong battery or worst is display na yung problema. Minsan naman dahil sa update. At yun yung hinala ko bakit hindi nagawa nitong MacBook Air kasi in-update siya sa latest OS na Catalina na hindi full wipe yung machine. Recommended kasi after the major update yung pag-clean install or pag-full wipe ng machine para mabura natin yung mga old files or yung junk files na nagiging dahilan bakit naglalag yung isang machine or kung bakit nagko-corrupt ang isang operating system. That's why I made this video. Na before we send our Mac to a technician, maiwasan natin yung hassle sa pila, sa waiting time, at syempre sa gastos. Interested? Watch this video till the end. First thing we need to do is, by the way, if you want to show this video some love, all you have to do is to give this video a thumbs up down below. And if you are new to my channel, why not consider subscribing? You can also ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I have new uploads. So first thing we need to do is to just press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds. Then press it again. Next method that we could try is to reset the SMC or System Management Controller by just pressing Control, Option, Shift, and Power. Keep holding all three keys for 7 seconds and then press and hold the power button as well. If mag-green yung ilaw sa charger, that means good pa yung battery. You can repeat this up to 5 times. Kung merong signs of power yung MacBook mo pero wala pa ring display, you can also try na i-adjust yung brightness to high. Next method that can also work is to reset yung PRAM by pressing Option Command PR for about 20 seconds. If none of those things work, we can try this. Malaki ang chance na mag-boot ang MacBook kapag corrupted ang operating system by proceeding to recovery mode. Just press Power then hold Command R until we see an Apple logo. Since hindi naging ganon ka-successful ang pag-update dito sa MacBook na ito, I would prefer yung internet recovery para maibalik siya sa stock operating system niya. We can do this by pressing Power, Shift, Command R until we see the glow. And it's successful. Yung bilis ng loading ay nakadepende sa bilis ng internet. And if you happen to arrive here, delete partition mo muna and then saka ka mag-reinstall OS. Waiting na lang and then next na lang and it's back to normal. So guys, it's time to wrap this up. If this vlog helped you to solve your MacBook problem, please let me know in the comment section which method worked for you. I would love to hear from you guys. So until next time, see you online.